Okay, so I am still in the middle of jointing and stripping the main bedroom. I'll throw up a couple of photos now. We are nearly done with the difficult ceiling part of the room, and I'm going to move on to the easier bits possibly next week, but I thought it was a good time to test out the LED strip lights I've been talking about. So I've said in the previous video that on the underside of the purlins, I've installed this ledge to allow me to install these LED strip lights for a bit of mood lighting in the ceiling. So I thought it was a good time to test these before I go too far with the jointing and filling, this will allow me to put the cables where I need to put the cables in the walls before finalising the plasterboard. So thought it would be cool to do a walk along video of you watching me just piece together this. So I bought all of this individually off AliExpress. So we're going to see if it works. I've got a 300 watt power supply, which should be enough for my lighting. We can see that the lighting is about 21 watts per meter, and this is a 5 meter strip, so call it 100 watts. I've got two 5 meter strips, so that's 200 watts plus an additional 1 meter strip. So all in all, that power supply should be ample for the lights. I've got this LED controller, which you will plug the light into. This talks to, hopefully talks to this switch, which I intend to install on the wall, like a bit of a light switch. This is Bluetooth, they should talk to each other. This will also talk to an app on your phone via Wi-Fi, I believe. So let's see if we can piece all this together and get it to work. Right, let's unbox it then. Everything's covered in dust because I've been sanding today, but I really need to get on and test this out for peace of mind. So I bought a 24 volt setup, so that looks like it will do that. I've got a bit of flex here with a plug on the end, so this is going to be my test piece in that. So yeah, let's wire this up then. This is apparently a high density LED strip light, or that's what I've ordered anyway. handy. Comes with a little screwdriver. I've already had a look on AliExpress as to the lights I've ordered, and I think it's this setup here, so that's the wiring diagram I need to go by. I've got a short bit of cable over here, which we'll use. Done input, we just need to do output. So it's, even though it's the other way round, got the positive at the bottom but the negative at the bottom on the device. Need to go to these two terminals here. Hopefully you can see what I can see. I have no idea. Could be doing all of this in vain. Oh well. All right. This is pretty obvious. There it goes. So you can either have a power pack by the looks of it, or what I've done is I've ordered something separately, maybe a bit more universal. Ground. Okay, lights. So we need red to VCC, data, green to data, white to ground. And I've got to pay note to the direction arrow. So not that end, this end. Red to VCC. Green to data. Just leave white to ground. I think that's it. Let's move that out of the way. RC3 is the one we have. Yep. So turn on the light, short press, long press within 20 seconds after the controller is powered on. Long press on to bind, stroke unbind the remote control. So I've got to bind this to this, and it requires you to plug it in, plug this in, which will turn this on, and then within 20 seconds I've got to long press the on button, as I understand it, to bind it. And you can also control it via an app, which I've already installed on my phone and signed in. Wherever my phone is, it's here. Yes. So you can see what I'm seeing. So the app is Balan X. Chinese, if ever I've heard it. So we'll fire that up in a bit. But let's get the lights plugged in. Scary. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Power. Yes. Yes, I did something right. Oh, we've got to do this, haven't I? Oh. It's already working. It's already... off? No way! On. These are capacitive, so I've got really dirty hands, so it might be... well, it might be broke, or... is it unbinded? Oh. Ah, no, there you go. You just got to press this. Just got to press and hold it for a second or so. He says, "How do we unbind? Let's try and unbind it and bind it again." So first turn off light completely, and then long press the off button. Powers on. Turn on. Okay. So let's unplug it. Power on. Then has that unbinded? On. That seems to work. Ah. Oh, okay, it seems to be working. I got to cut it some slack, obviously, because of the, you know how cheap it was. Can I do the colours from here? Yes. Yes, I can. Modes? What about mode? Oh. Look at how vibrant that is. want that rainbow back. White. Yes. Like everything seems to be working, and I'd say it's really vibrant. I don't know if the camera's picking how vibrant that is. Alright, let's try the app. Like I say, I've already installed the app. So let me sign in. Okay, I had a bit of faff pairing it up. I've managed to pair it up now. I might do another video on how to pair it. I think it was just me not understanding the scenario, but we are now connected to the controller via the app. And these are the different light modes that you can select. There's rainbow, yes, clearly the best. And you can like them as well. And then they go into your like list, which is there. So I don't know if I can program a like list into these numbers here. Once I figure it out, I'll come back with a how-to sort of guide setup. But right now, I'm loving this. I love how vibrant they are, how nicely diffused the light is. Should look awesome up in the ceiling, so long as my finish on my ceiling is okay and this doesn't show up every mark and imperfection. So yeah, I mean, that's it really. It looks like it's working good. I might do another test piece where I plug all of my lights into this controller. I don't know if I can do that. I might have to make a connection piece here to plug the other 5 meter and the other 1 meter into this, or I might tail them off from each other. I don't know yet. So I've got that to test. Then I can finish off my wall and my ceiling. Put these cables in the wall and get these lights up. So if you want to see these lights installed in the ceiling, then stick around and watch out for the next video. Cheers!